Hi everyone. When you try to transfer or copy a file that is larger than 4 GB to pen drives, USB drives, then you may see this error: file is too large for the destination file system. If you are seeing this, then don't worry, because there is nothing wrong with your pen drive USB drive. The reason for file is too large for the destination file system. Most of the pen drives, USB drives, are formatted in FAT32 file system format, and the FAT32 file system comes with the limitation that you can't transfer a file larger than 4 GB in size. Right-click on pen drive volume and select Format. When you will click on Format, you will see a few options. Here, from the option, File System, select NTFS. So now you will be formatting your drive to the NTFS file system. From the next option, Allocation Unit Size, select Default Allocation Size. You can assign a volume label like A, B, something like this. This will help you recognize your pen drive once connected to any PC. From Format options, select Quick Format. Once you have made these changes, then click on Start. Now your PC will show formatting the removable disk. After a few seconds, it will show that the formatting process is completed. Once this processing of formatting the pen drive to the NTFS system is completed, then you will be able to transfer a file larger than 4 GB in size to your pen drive USB drive. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.